Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 18th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we are on the daily time frame. So on the dollar CAD, I mean, it still looks like a possible end of a correction. So I still think there is a possibility this is like a impulsive down, corrective up, Fibonacci bounce on one of these levels, and then potentially down again for like a wave one and a wave two. But we cannot deny that the market is currently flowing up, which is why I would probably recommend longs until we do get that engulfing down at a fib level, which we obviously don't have yet. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I think we would have to be recommending longs. Like I said, I mean, it looks like we could possibly get the end of a WXY pattern, but so far it definitely hasn't confirmed that. So I have my Fibonacci retracement out here because the daily time frame market flow is up. I would be looking at this move down as possibly a pullback to the last wave up. So if we do get a good Fibonacci bounce, a nice engulfing move to the upside, we could go long. Just keep in mind that you're probably trading within a correction, which means it probably will not take out this high, and it may end up breaking structure to the downside at some point on the daily time frame and continuing the higher time frame downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.